cat. This is Nikki. Nikki is a girl. Here we used the word this to talk about Nikki. That is Snoopy. Snoopy is a dog. Here we used the word that to talk about Snoopy. Can you tell why we used this for Nikki and that for Snoopy? Because Nikki is sitting near, whereas Snoopy is sitting far. This is a ball. That is a tree. Ball is near and tree is far. We use the word this to identify or point out a single thing, animal or person near us. We use the word that to identify or point out a single thing, animal or person not near us.